You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is sponsored by Luvmehair. They did send me over this headband wig with a bang. Yes, get into it. I am definitely feeling this unit. If you've been following me for a while now, you know that I shaved all my hair off and baby girl can't do no edges, okay? So this right here is definitely a win for me. Even if you have hair and you don't feel like doing your edges, this is the wig. Like, I would definitely rate this hair a 10 out of 10. Like, the curls are freaking amazing. All of this little bang, I'm here for it, okay? I'm here for it. I did have to cut the bang just a tad bit because it was like covering up my eyes a little bit, but I did adjust it to where I can see. But this wig is freaking bomb. I definitely love this unit. Everything about this hair will be in the description box below. I do have a coupon code for you guys, so it will be in the description box below as well. So yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and hop right into this tutorial.
I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. show me your ways, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, your dreamy eyes. No, I don't need your pretty smile, your pretty smile. No, I just want your perfect mind, your perfect mind. Yeah, that's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, your edgy style. No, I don't need your hang-arounds, your hang-arounds. No, I just want your perfect mind, your perfect mind. Yeah, that's all I really need. That's all I really need. You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, your dreamy eyes. No, I don't need your pretty smile, your pretty smile. No, I just want your perfect mind.